Every single second, humanity asks Google roughly 187,500 queries. When scaled to a full year, that activity totals 5.9 trillion queries. This represents the largest collection of recorded human inquiries in history, tracking the needs and interests of over 5 billion connected users. But if you look at the raw data to see what we're actually searching for, the results are a little disappointing. The top charts are almost entirely dominated by the names of websites we already know. The most queried words on Earth are terms like YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, and Gmail. This is called navigational intent. Millions of people find it easier to just type a brand name into Google and click the first link, bypassing the browser's address bar entirely. This autopilot behavior generates billions of queries, creating a massive data illusion. To see what the world actually cares about, we have to filter out the navigation. When we strip away those navigational shortcuts, we can isolate the trending spikes. These are queries that suddenly jump by 5,000% or more from the previous year, revealing exactly what makes humanity collectively react. The first signal this filter catches is our response to shifts in power. Massive, unified spikes in search traffic map perfectly onto events like the 2026 US midterm elections. We see identical, immediate surges around global sports, with billions of collective searches suddenly hunting for scores and highlights during the FIFA World Cup qualifiers. The data also registers our anxiety. Sudden environmental crises, like the LA fires, create instantaneous, geographically concentrated breakout trends as people scramble for survival information. And then there is pure pop culture curiosity. Looking at YouTube-specific data, Bad Bunny's Super Bowl performance drove a massive spike that persisted for months, well beyond the event itself. Stripping away the daily noise leaves us with a clear picture of our shared human reflexes. We react in unison to issues of power, survival, and entertainment. But Google mostly captures our fast, immediate utility. To understand our slower, more permanent curiosities, we have to look at the data from Wikipedia. Excluding automated system queries, the most viewed Wikipedia page of all time is the list of deaths by year, with over 647 million views. Curious, slightly subdued, that view count reveals a quiet, consistent fascination with our own mortality and the passing of contemporaries. This permanent curiosity operates completely outside the daily news cycle, driving relentless deep dives into major global conflicts and historical figures. It also highlights our enduring obsession with cultural icons, keeping bands like the Beatles near the top of the charts decades after they stopped playing. While Google handles our immediate daily needs, Wikipedia records the topics we return to for decades, a collection of the events, figures, and historical milestones that define our collective memory. In 2026, we hit a final layer in the intent filter, conversational intent. This chart compares global monthly searches. The term ChatGPT has reached an astonishing 841 million queries, eclipsing traditional juggernauts like YouTube. Users are increasingly bypassing traditional websites to seek a conversational assistant that can synthesize information instantly. We expect immediate, interactive resolution to our questions. A directory of links is no longer enough. This pie chart illustrates the consequence of that expectation. By 2026, thanks to AI overviews answering questions instantly, the search box has stopped acting as a window to the rest of the web and started acting as the destination itself. Human nature is exactly the same. We still care intensely about the weather, passing icons, and global elections. But the speed at which we satisfy that curiosity has accelerated to zero. By 2026, the search bar has evolved into a self-contained ecosystem, providing both the query and the answer in a single, total interface.